Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change the account name in Instagram. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, what you need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application on your phone. Once opened, click on the profile picture at the bottom right. Then you'll be taken to your Instagram profile page. To change your name, click on Edit Profile. And then you should see your name. Go ahead and click on your name. Now delete the existing name on your Instagram account and then type in the new name. Once you typed in the new name, go ahead and click on Done at the top right. Then you should see, are you sure you want to change your name to this new name? Click on Change Name to change your name. And that's it. Mark you can only change your name once in 14 days. And that's it. So that's exactly how to change your account name in Instagram. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.